Welcome at a Walgreens Pharmacy store. Please like, subscribe, and activate the alert so you never miss a new video. Walgreens is a major retail pharmacy chain in US. Do you know the others? Please answer in comments. They operate around 9,000 stores in 50 states. And they are part of the Walgreens Boots Alliance. FYI, their share has a good dividend history. They have extensive health and beauty selections, plus the essentials in other categories, food, toys. The yellow tags that you are seeing are the promos. As you can see, they have a lot of them. On top, you can also get a lot of digital coupons. Walgreens stores are always very well illuminated, making the shopping experience very convenient. Stunning gift bags filled up with candies and more. This is the events section Easter was on at the time. Key for Easter packs, bunny and/or pastel colors. They want to be the one-stop shop close to home. For X, a birthday soon, here's all you need for it. Core business remains healthcare. So a lot of shop floor is naturally dedicated to it. This section is just for vitamins and supplements. Eye care section. Glasses and ice/lens drops. And the very impressive anti-acid section. Dedicated Coca-Cola end cap. Store objective: to have essentials in all categories. Also in food section, all key products must be here. Carving for snacks. Go to Walgreens. There is choice. Big selection of sweet snacks with a lot of promos. Need to buy a toy? They have some options for you. One of my favorite shelf, MOF Care. So many products are behind protections. Find the ones that are not in promos. Showers gels are also needing protections. You find all that you need here, even shovels. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment.